Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in this last classes we are discussing that quadrilaterals and their exercise. So today we are going to discuss the new lesson that is called as construction. See, we know that already the last year classes, I mean 8th standard classes, we are constructions of the perpendicular bisector of the line segment, angular bisectors, and then constructions of triangles in the different cases. Correct. So today, this year also we have to construct the constructions of an angular bisectors and then the line segment, and also a constructions of an angle by using only the scale and the compass. Okay. So this concept we already learned in the 7th standard, and also 8th standard we already learned it. So this year also we have to start it. See, first one, construction of bisector of an angles, construction of bisector of an angle. See, I will start the first of all any one angle I will draw it here. Okay, any one. Roughly I will draw it. You also roughly have to draw it. Okay. I have to draw any one of the angle. Okay, this is one of the angle. I don't know what is the angles measured here. Okay, but by using only the compass and scale, like this only you have to measuring the angles. See, so I will measure it now. So what is how much angle is there? So this is 64 or 63 degrees there. Okay, 63 degrees there. So likewise only 63 degree only we will construct it. Okay, so let me start. First of all, I will draw the one line, same line. Okay, same line I will draw it. Okay, next, take compass. So this compass you have to keep on this point, otherwise you have to give the name for this angle. So I will give that this is A and this is also B and this is C. So keep on the point B and cut an arc. This arc is intersect BC and AB. So AB intersect at the point P and BC intersect at Q. Next students, you don't disturb this compass, so we have to make the arc. We have to cut the arc in the next line. So this is also I am giving this is Y and this is Z. Okay. Next, keep on the B. Keep on the Q. So take the length of the arc. So length of the arc. Do you know the length of the arc? See, this is the length of the arc. Okay, so like this you have to take it. Yes. So I am taking the length of the arc. So this arc is cut at the point M. Okay. So keep on the point M. So cut the one arc. Cut the previous arc. So that arc is intersected at the point N. Okay, this is N. So this N point you have to join it. Y and N you have to join it. You should extend to. Okay, extend it. So that is called as X, Y, Z. Okay, students. So this angle and this angles are both same. Let us check it. Okay, this is 63 degree and this is also making as a 63 degree. It is also measures to 64. Okay, same. Okay, students, very simple. Okay, so like this you have to measure it. So this is the construct the angle by using only compass and scale, okay, without using the protector. So next one, student, next one, construction of bisector of an angle. See, one angle na bisect ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ. See, very simple. First one angle na draw ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಎಷ್ಟರ angle ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದು. Okay, this is one of the angle. This is A, B and C. So I don't know what is the angle of ABC. I don't know. So but I will measure here. So it becomes 70 degree. Okay, this is 70 degree. ಈ 70 degree ನಾನು ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಸೊ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 70 ಇರೋದು ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, 35 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸಿ, ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿ, ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪಸ್. So cut the one arc, any radius, cut one arc, and then so you should extend it, otherwise keep like that only. So this arc is intersect the AB and BC at the point P and Q. Okay, AB at the this arc is intersect AB at P and BC at Q. Okay, next. So this one you have to extend it, otherwise keep like that only. So keep on the point Q and cut the one arc. Okay. Next, keep on the point P and cut the same arc. So this arc is intersect at one point. Okay, you have to mark it in the pencil. So next student, this line you have to join to the from the point B. From the point B. Okay students, so this is a bisector line, this is an angular bisector line. Okay, so that is called as D. I will take it as D. Now students, ABC how much degree? 70 degrees there, correct? So totally 70 degree. So but ABD how much become? 35 degree, and DBC is also become a 35 degree. Let us check it from the protector. See, we'll keep on point B in the line. So exactly 35 degree. Yes, see, 30, this is 5, 35. Okay, and this is also 35 degree. Same to same, 35 degree. Is it right? Yes, 35 degree. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಈ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, coincide ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, right? So that's why like this you have to construct the bisector of an angle. Okay, next. So likewise any kinds of bisector line you have to draw it. Another one I will show you. See, this is acute angle. I am showing the obtuse angle. Same, all of same procedure. Okay. So this is P, Q and R. So I don't know what is the angle of PQR. So measure from first compass. So this is 110 degree. 110 degree. The total is 110 degree. Okay. Yes, easy. So total 110 degree. Now we have to bisect this angle. So if you are bisect this 110 degree, the each angles measure how much? So 110 divided by 2. So how much? 55 degree. Is it right? So you have to construct it. You have to bisect this angle. So same procedure. So what is the first one? Keep on the point. You can take any radius from the compass. Keep on the Q and cut the arc. And this arc is intersect PQ and QR. PQ intersect at X, QR intersect at Y. So okay, keep on the, you can take any radius, no problem. So otherwise you have to keep this radius only. This radius only have to keep it. So I will keep on the Y I will extend it this one. If you are extend it is easy to move the you can draw the arc. That's why. So keep on the y. So cut the one arc and keep on the x and then cut the same arc. This arc are intersecting at the point. I don't know what is that point. I will make it as one mark in the pencil. So next student, this mark join to the Q. Join to Q. Okay. Yes. So this line is called as what we call angular bisector line. This line is called as angular bisector line. So that is called as M. I will take it as M. Now M, Q, R and P, Q, R, each angle measures how much degree? So one angle must be 55 degree. This is 55 degree and this is also 55 degree. Total 110 degree. Okay. So let me check it from the protector. Yes, this is 55 degree. This is 50, this is 55. Can you see that mark? Yes, this is 55 degree. What is that angle? MQR. MQR is a 55 degree. And this angle must be equal to 55 degree. Is it right? 55 degree. So that one PQM. Angle PQM. It is equal to 55 degree. So like this we have to construct the angular bisectors of the given angle. Okay students? Yes. Next one student. So this one you have to practice in your home. Okay. You can draw any kinds of angles. You have to bisect the given angle. After that you have to measure by the protector. So the each part become equal. Okay. So next concept students. Construction of a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. ಈಗ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. bisect the line segment. Bisect the line segment of length AB is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. So AB is equal to 10 centimeter. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ AB length ನ 10 centimeter ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು? 5 centimeter ಬರಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೌ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ದ 10 centimeter ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ. This is 10 centimeter line segment, that is AB. E line segment na ನಾನು bisect ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ? perpendicularly. So take the compass and keep on the point A and take the half of this more than half length. You have to take it half or more than half. So see AB length more than half ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಭಾಗ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ? more than half. So I will take this length of the arc or length and I will keep on the point A and cut the one arc on the above and cut on the point below of the line segment. Line segment ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಒಂದು arc cut ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು arc cut ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Likewise same arc, same radius, keep on the point B and cut the same arc of the previous arc in the above of the line segment and below of the line segment. Is it right? So the above and below are intersect or each other. Correct? Two arcs are intersect each other. Now we have to join this line. See, this line you have to make it as joining these two arcs. Okay. Okay. Yes. See, first of all, how much centimeter is there? 10 centimeter. Each is become 5 centimeter. So this is called as I will give consider as O, this is M and this is N. See students, AB is perpendicular to MN, and also AO is equal to BO. AO is equal to BO. How much centimeter? 5 centimeter. AB first of all, how much centimeter? 10 centimeter. So if you are bisect the 10 centimeter, each part will become 5 centimeter. Let us check it. I will take this one is 14 inches. Okay, 14 centimeter. I will take 14 centimeter. You can take 10 centimeter. I will take 14 centimeter. Okay. See, it becomes 7. Okay, this is 7. Is it right? Yes, 7. This is 7 and this is also 7. 14. Is it right? So that's why. So each part will become equal to each other. Are you understand? Like this, you have to construct the angular. What is that? Perpendicular bisector of the line segment. You can take any length of the line segment. Same procedure. Okay. I will take another one example. This is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, 7.5 centimeter I will take now. See, 7.5. Same procedure. First you can draw the 7.5 centimeter line segment. Okay, this is 7.5 centimeter line segment, that is called as AB. This line segment we have to bisect each other by the perpendicularly. Same rule. What is the rule? You can take more than half of the AB. First you have to take it from the compass and keep on the point A, cut the arc from the above of the line segment and below of the line segment, and keep on the point B and cut the same arc from the previous arc, above of the arc and below of the above of the line segment and below of the line segment. So now you have to, these arcs you have to join to each other. Okay, so this is M, this is X and this is Y. So AB is equal to how much centimeter? 7.5 centimeter. You can check now. So AM is equal to MB agutte. AM is equal to MB agutte. Okay. Next, AB is perpendicular to XY. AB is perpendicular to XY. So ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು perpendicular line segment ಅನ್ನು draw ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Understood? This is a very simple procedure. So next student, see, these two concepts you have to practice in a row. The constructions of your angular bisectors and the lines perpendicular bisector of the line segment. So you can draw any length of the line segment. You can draw the perpendicular bisector and the angular bisector. You have to practice in a row. I will go to the next concept, that is called as construction of an angle by using only compass and scale. Scale ಮತ್ತೆ compass ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು angle ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This concept we already learnt in the 7th standard. Is it right? So this year also we have to start it. See, first one angle what? 60 degree. So how to construct the 60 degree by using only the compass and scale? Is it right? Yes. Let us start it. First we know already. I will show another one time. I will explain that. See, draw any one of the line segment, any length of the line segment, you can draw it. So that is called as B and this is C, and then you have to take the compass, and this compass you have to take any arc from the compass. You can take any arc, any length of the arc. I will take this much of the arc. You can take any length of the arc. Little bit you have to take, no problem. So now you have to cut the one arc. Cut the arc. Keep on the point B and cut the arc. This arc is intersect BC at M. Okay. Next, same length. You don't disturb this. So keep on the point M and cut the previous arc. This arc is intersect at the point N. Okay. Now take scale and joining the B and N. Joining B and N. You have to extend it. So this is A, B, C. Angle ABC is become how much degree? 60 degrees. So let me check it in the compass. Afterwards, check it in the protractor. So keep on the point B. You know already how to measure from the protractor. See. Yes, this is 60 degree. Okay. So likewise, you have to construct the angle 60 degree. So next one 30 degree. How to construct the 30 degree? 60 degree. Second one 30 degree. Yes. 30 degree means the bisect of the 60 degree you have to take, you can get the 30 degree. First you have to construct the 60 degree. After that you have to bisect the angle of 60 degree, you can get the 30 degree. Okay. See. First I will draw the one of the line segment. Any line segment you have to draw it. Okay. So that is called as Y and this is Z. Okay. So next take the compass. Same procedure. First you have to construct the 60 degree. Then you have to construct the 30 degree. Okay. Take the any radius from the compass. You have to cut down of the arc. This arc is intersect at the point P. So next keep on the point B from the same measurement of the radius from the compass. Keep on the point B and cut the one arc. So this arc, this line is called as Q. This mark is called as Q. Now if you are joining Y and Q, it making a 60 degree. Is it right? But we have to construct that what? 30 degree. So that's why this is 60 degree. If you are joining this line, it becomes 60 degree. This angle has become 60 degree. This angles you have to bisect to each other. So what happened? See, first keep on the point P. Next step. Keep on the point P. You can extend this arc. Keep on the point P and cut the one arc. Same. Keep on the point Q and cut the same arc. So this arc is intersect at the point. I don't know, that is called as M. Now we have to joining Y and M. You have to join Y and M. So this is called as, this is X. X, Y, Z is called as what? 30 degree. So let me check it in the protractor. Yes, this is 30 degree. Okay. So likewise you have to construct it. First you have to construct the 60 degree. You need not to join this line. So you have to mark this point. This you have to keep on this point and this point you have to cut the arc. That intersection of the arc you have to join from the Y and then extend to the X. So X, Y, Z is becoming 30 degree. Is it right? Yes. So next one students, 120 degree. So 120 degree is also same. Second one is called as 120 degree. Third one. So how you are construct the 120 degree? Same as it is in the 60 degree. First you have to construct the one of the line segment. You can draw any one of the line segment. Okay. So that is M and this is N. Now take the compass. Take the compass. Take any radius, stable radius from the compass and cut the. Keep on the point M and cut the arc and the same radius, keep on the point. This arc is intersect M and at A. So keep on the point A and cut the one of the arc. Okay. If you are joining M to this arc point is called as B. If you are joining MB, it becomes what? 60 degree. But I want 120 degree. That's why you have to extend this steps. So keep next steps. Keep on the point D and cut the same arc. This arc point, intersection point, we call it as C. Now C and M, we have to join it. M and C have to join it and extend it to join M, C up to extend it to K. So K, M, N. So K, M, N is become 120 degree angle. K, M, N is become 120 degree. So let me check it in the protractor. See, keep on the point M. You know already how to measure the angles by using the compass. See, so this is equal to 120 degree. Okay, is it right? So likewise you have to construct in your home. Okay, so next students, these 60 degree, 30 degree and 120 degree, so very important concepts to asking for the final examination for 1 mark questions. These are all 1 mark questions. So next student, 135, 150 and 90 is there. So 90 is also is there. I will show now. So now 90 degree, 90 degree. So first same procedure. So let us start it from the scale. We have to draw any one of the line. So that is A and B. So put one of the mark, any of the AB line segment, that is what O. We will take it as O. Now students, take the compass. Take any suitable radius. Okay, keep on the point O and cut the one of the arc. Okay, so now, so this arc is completely, you can draw the semicircle. Okay, next students, so this arc is intersect AB, OB intersect at M and OA is intersect at N. Next students, keep on the point M. So you have to cut the one of the arc, and this you have to keep this arc, we call it as what is that, X, and then keep on the X point and cut the same arc, that is Y. Okay, next student, see, keep on the Y. You can extend this radius. So keep on the Y. Have to construct the one of the arc and draw the one of the arc of the above of the arc, and keep on the X same radius and cut the previous arc. So this arc is intersected the point, that is called as what, K. You can take any one of the letter. I will give K. Now take scale and joining O and OK. Joining O and K. So I have to extend it to D. Have to extend it to D or C. Anyone you can give C. Now angle COB or COA. COB or COA is equal to how much? 90 degree. Both are equal. Anyone you have to measure it, it becomes 90 degree. So let us check it. See students? Yes, exactly 90 degree. Is it right? Exactly 90 degree. Understood? So likewise you have to construct. One more time I will explain now. See, first of all you can try any one of the line segment. Then you can mark the O on AB. Anywhere you have to mark on the AB. So O, keep on the point O, can take any suitable radius from the compass, cut one of the arc. So this M is intersect OB at M. Keep on the M, cut the same arc at the point x, and then keep on the x, you can take at the same arc at the point y, and then keep on x and keep on y, you can draw the one of the arc, so that two arcs is intersect at the point K, you can join K and O, so up to C. Now COB and COA is become 90 degree. Are you understood? These concepts already learned in the 7th and 8th standard also. Is it right? So likewise you have to practice. So first 30 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree, and then 120 degree. This is 90 degree. Dear students, the remaining 135, 150 is there, 105 degrees there. I will show in the next classes. Okay, students. So these constructions, first you have to practice in your own. The first one is what? Angular bisectors, and then perpendicular bisectors, and then constructions of an angle by using only scale and compass. These concepts you have to practice in your home. In the next classes we have to discuss in that. So how to construct the 135 degree, 150 degree and 105 degree, and some more degrees there I will show in the next classes. Okay, thank you students.